People who slept with their best friend, what happened? I caught feelings. She didn't. We dropped the benefits part after a year and worked it out. Then I met my wife-to-be, and it became irrelevant. Reply. This, but opposite. He caught feelings. We didn't speak for 2 weeks, but got over it, talked it out. Realized we would rather have each other in our lives no matter what. Now I'm married and we're still best friends. Have been since 6th grade and we're in our 30s. Why waste all that for some fun? Another one. A friend's story. At first, they were sleeping together because the tension was getting too much. But he couldn't commit because he had greater priorities to take care of. Then when he realized he was at risk of losing her forever, he took the plunge and asked her if she wanted to be with him. And she teased him, wondering why it took him so long. She actually helped him get through a lot of things, and turned out to be the support he needed all along. They're happily married now.